So she's going to investigate her bath. Whoop.
Is it going in?
Yeah. She's jumping in. She's jumping in, guys. She thinks her bath
Is it warm?
lukewarm, not hot. See how Phoebe has her bath? She
She sticks her tail out.
yeah, because she doesn't. Well, she drinks some, and she has a little bit of a splash around.
Yeah.
We all love our baths, don't we?
Yeah. But in fact, I just lie down on my tummy and have it.
Yeah, you lie down on your tummy when you
I
have
do.
a bath.
I do fun. Sometimes I pour all my toys in my bath.
That's fun. I like that too. She tries to get the water under her wings,
Oh.
like you do when you scrub your body.
Oh, I always put my soap in my tickler spot. Me too. Great.
You think she has a tickle spot?
Yeah. Maybe on her tummy.
Maybe under her tail?
Maybe. Maybe on her tail.
Maybe.
Maybe on her feathers.
Oh, Phoebe, you're having fun.
Well, maybe on her head. Maybe. Well, maybe. My tickle spots everywhere. Mine too.
Maybe Phoebe's tickle spots are everywhere too. No, I'm gonna leave her now. Leave her to have her bath.